I'm Grace Lynn with the Global Heart Team, and this is the simple 5 breaths of love. Let's begin just by imagining this loving energy flowing into your heart with the inhale. And with the exhale, imagine sending it out to your family members. And on the next inhale, breathing that loving energy into your heart, into your whole body. And as you exhale, imagine sending it to your friends. And on the next inhale, breathing in that unconditional loving energy into your heart, feeling your heart opening up even more. And as you exhale, sending it out to your neighbors. And taking a nice deep breath of love into your heart. And as you exhale, sending out to coworkers, co-volunteers, or anybody you're working with on a project. And on the next inhale, breathing that unconditional loving energy into your heart, feeling it expand even more. And as you exhale, sharing it with all living beings. Just feeling that connection to the flow of love. May the rest of your day be full of love.